This is the best 1500 pickup that you can buy for the model year of 2026. But all the features a person wants and more. It's even got some of the upgrades that a lot of people do anyways. Upgrades like 18-inch black wheels and all-terrain tires. Maybe you're even interested in a factory 2-inch lift. And I know you're into the blackout package, so instead of having chrome exhaust tips, you can have black ones. I know you're not interested in paying too much for gas, so this one's getting a combined 10.5 liters per 100K in a pickup. I'm talking about the 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss with the Duramax diesel engine. I know some people prefer gas over a diesel, and maybe they even prefer a little bit of a higher trim interior, but I think the Custom Trail Boss comes with all the features that you need on the interior. So you got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You're gonna have a backup camera. Got all the features that you need for a daily driver. This thing's even got a power driver seat. Like, what more do you need? Not only does the Custom Trail Boss come with all the features that you need and more, but it also has 0% financing up to 72 months and great lease programs on right now. So let me know in the comments, do you agree with me that the Custom Trail Boss is the best half ton you can buy for 2026? Or do you consider this to be a hot take? Follow Mr. Do a Deal for more.